Hello guys, today we will be learning basic CGI integration to any scene in Blender. It is a really fun thing to do, and you can impress your friends by putting a monkey head in some random footage or a car chase or anything like that. So let's get started. Okay, so choose your footage that you want to add your object to. So once you've chosen your footage, you can select the camera in the scene, go to the little toggle camera view, press home. Now go to view and lock the camera to view. That'll help us later. So now we'll check background images and then we'll add an image, and then we will open that image. So now this is the image that I want to use. So and this is just basic, so we're not going to do anything too advanced right now. But really to start, you find your image, you load it in, and now you should kind of align it so that it looks like your ground plane is there. Another good way to do it is make a plane and then stretch it out by pressing SY. And now we can press GY, and by the looks of things, that should encompass that whole hallway, if not more. So that means that we need to change the focal length on our camera. So we can change the focal length, and then we can zoom in. So, and it's kind of hard to get it just right. Once you've gotten it just right, you'll know. I'll scale up on the y-axis. I think that looks just right. So if you scale down the x-axis, it should look perfectly like a mat on your floor. So S, X. And so it's still kind of wonky, but we're not going to do anything like that. So now that we have our camera aligned, let's go back to the camera view and press N, just N, and then unlock the camera to view, so we won't accidentally move it because we have it perfectly aligned now. So now we can add the object that we want to put in our scene. So let's do a monkey. I'm gonna add a subdivision surface modifier over here. Just to make it smoother, and then I can press shade smooth. Just do one, and then I'll just apply them because I like to apply things. And then let's do RX to move it on the x-axis a little. Press GZ. Now, look, we have a monkey head. Yay, you're done. No, you're not done yet. No, not really at all. So now you can move your monkey or whatever your object is. I'm using Blender's default Suzanne monkey head thing. It's kind of creepy, but I like it anyway. So now I have to add a shadow and stuff. So let's head over to cycles. That's GPU, the normal stuff. Now let's add another plane right under our monkey. We can scale it up a little, and now let's create a new material, and then let's do visibility and make it a shadow catcher so that we have a shadow. Still not ready yet, so let's just scale it down a little bit like that. So this does not look very nice. It's like maybe I misaligned it. We can figure that out a bit later. So now we can go into a rendered view, and not so much. That is not nice at all. So let's change the film to transparent, and look what we've got. We've got a monkey. Let's denoise it too. But still, you see, we do not have accurate lighting at all. Let's just anyway, let's just go back to lock the camera to view again because we kind of got wrong, and then just change it and then hopefully it'll look better now. So we need lighting. So that is not a problem. So what we need to do is we need to add a cube. Nah, that's awful. Anyway, so let's go back to this mode, and then let's scale up on the x-axis a little, and then scale way up on the y-axis. Then let's move it up a little so that we're looking. So you see, this is the camera. We want to be looking inside the cube. This looks like a nightmare. Oh yeah, I see why. So let's select this, do SY to scale it up a bit more. Oh yeah, and I see the problem right now. See, we're completely blacked out, but that's a good thing. It means that we're all good. So let's do an emission for the surface. Yeah, we're good. Nah, not really. And then do an image texture. Find your image, and what the heck? Yeah, it's weird. But then go to UV editing tab, and let's go to the camera view. And this is starting to get a bit more complicated than I was hoping, but it's gonna be pretty easy. So let's just do project from view, bounds. Wait, what the heck? That got weird, but check that out. That sucks. Let's just try project, good old normal project from view. I think we need to apply some. Yeah, I know the problem now. So we need to go back to object mode and apply all transforms. And now we can tab back into edit mode, and then you go to U, project from view, and then try the bounds. And let's check this out. Still pretty wonky. Just rotate it until you get a floor-like thing on the floor. That'll do. It's awful for some reason, and we can try. Let's try cube projection instead. I'll just align it, and I'll just project from view, and then U. Yeah, you have to press U, and then just try to get the floor kind of on the floor thing. This is really weird. Oh yeah, that's the problem. We need to subdivide it. Subdivide, and now. It's even worse. Oh, we can do it anyway. It'll work. So, look, now our monkey is lit accurately. Though this is still kind of weird. So let's just so that this is a shadow catcher, too, and then you'll never notice. And then let's move the plane so that there's a monkey in there. Monkey, watch out! There's a monkey. So look. Ooh, oh no, the monkey's being buried. It's its funeral. Oh no. This is starting to get a bit weird, but so we have our emission thing, so we're getting accurate lighting. And let's move the monkey up just a little so it's not embedded in the ground anymore. And this is kind of this is just weird. So we have the monkey, and then we have the shadow catcher, which we can put right under the monkey. Let's position the monkey, press R and then X a little, just to kind of make it rotate better. Just there. And now, look, now we have a good monkey. So we can let's disable the background image. And look, now the monkey is completely integrated into our scene. Check that out. It even has reasonably accurate lighting and it's it looks pretty awful, but that's probably the denoising and stuff. If we could give it a new texture, and then kill Blender by doing some subsurface. I love subsurface. It just makes everything look kind of cool. Let's do red. Look at that. That's it's like a jelly monkey yuck thing. And on the roughness, they even turn up the transmission. Look, it's a yucky jelly monkey thing, and it's integrated into our environment. It's really cool. I love this kind of stuff. And look at this. This just looks so good.